In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sales on Contra as a freelancer. So if you're struggling to land clients or want to increase your bookings, I'll walk you through the best strategies to make your profile stand out and attract sales. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have actionable steps to start earning on Contra. So before you start selling, make sure your profile is fully set up and optimized. You can use a professional profile picture, write a clear and engaging bio, and showcase a high quality portfolio projects and relevant skills and services. A complete and well structured profile increases your chances of getting hired. So if clients don't see what you offer, they won't book you. So go to the ad services, and then as you can see in here, type what service are you offering, and then input your title, and um, edit your tools. If for example you're using a specific tools, so for the industry, so select for the category. So we'll search for web development, and then for the add a title. So as you can see, the overview, once you're done setting up on the overview, you need for deliverables and so on and so forth. And assumingly we have uploaded our service in here, so it should be seen here, and your client will be seeing your added services. So you can't just wait for clients to come to you. You need to market yourself. You can share your contract profile on LinkedIn, Twitter, and relevant groups, and then engage the freelance community and networking space, and send personalized outreach messages to potential clients. And that's it. That's how you get sales on Contra and grow your freelance business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.